guys and gals, today is Friday the 21st of October and it is actually Alejandro's birthday. So I'm going to start this vlog now because obviously he's at work, but I thought I'd give you a little realistic mum vibe vlog at the first part of it and then we'll progress to the weekend. So yeah, I think it's almost like 1 o'clock. I don't even know the time. My skin is breaking out, which is a fun time. I'm going to look so beautiful for my husband when he gets home. We've got little Theo here, kind of sleeping, kind of not. He kind of does sleep through sounds, as you can tell. But yeah, I'm going to do some washing. It's kind of raining. It's a bit of a shizzy day. Shizzy? That's a new word. But yeah, I'm going to take you along and see how we go. Hopefully. So every time it's midday, these little boys get a little dental stick. Yes, Roshi, we're so excited. Please ignore the mess of the floor. We have just had the walls plastered. Are you going to sit? Good boys. Good boys. And then they run off and go eat it. Goodbye. The absolute tragedy of my fridge. I'm literally obsessed with these Aero Mousse yogurts right now. Anybody else? I'm going to have a little snack of some fall-fed yogurt and some blueberries. Exciting times. Exciting diddly-daddly times. I actually still use this stuff as like a honey substitute from when I had my diabetes because it's so good. It's pretty much like honey, not gonna lie. And then I'm going to add some chia seeds. I probably don't even add enough for a serving, to be honest, but just add some texture, wee texture. So now I eat my yogurt. I'm going to put on some YouTubey, and then we're going to look after this little man. I think it's time for a nappy change. So one of the most annoying things about having a baby is that you change their nappy and then suddenly they need another nappy. This line goes like blue when they've weed, and I've literally just put a new nappy on him. Look at those chunky legs. Look at those chunky legs, little baby. Oh. Oh my god, I just gave Theo this. Oh no, he just dropped it. He dropped it. Would you like to grab it again? See if you can. We have it. Oh, and we've also been saying, whoops a daisy. Whoopsie daisy. Whoa, and now we got hiccups. It's all happening. It's all happening. Look at his little legs going crazy. A crazy... Oh no, we dropped it. Also, anyone that's a mum, does your nappy caddy get so messy? I just tidied it. This was actually from Poundland. How cute is that? Adorable. We're having a little chat over here.
No.
Is it too far? Happy birthday.
Thank you.
He's home from a long day at work.
Yes.
And here is your presentes.
Okay.
Do you want to open them now?
Sure.
You can open whatever then.
I'm going for Fiona's first.
No, that's my mum's.
Oh, that's
She has got you a card as well with some money, so.
Wow,
Wow, can you guess what they are? The most man-given gift.
Socks.
Yeah, you can use them for work or whatever.
Yeah, I do need some socks to be fair. Oh, active support, art support socks.
Oh, he needs them for his Achilles.
Oh no, just what I needed.
Next presente from my sister.
Alcohol.
Way.
Good choice.
The man gift.
I thought it was Christmas for a minute.
Oh, wow.
Nice little towel, I'll give you that.
Yeah, she said she thought it was like a flannel, and then she realised it's like a gym one. And I was like, oh,
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
it encouraged you to go to the gym. Not.
It's a proper towel.
Yeah.
I'm going for its boxers.
Way.
It will be. It's boxers, I'm telling you.
So we have a little noisy baby down here.
Fucking amazing.
Well, no Calvin's.
Oh.
Well, hey, are they the ones you wear?
Yeah.
Now it's my presente times. Be careful, that's going to be very outweighed. I'd get out the Disaronno first.
Okay. Fucking hell.
A liter.
Sorry
But look, I got a special sticker. What does it say?
Alex, happy 28th birthday since 1994. Here's your first birthday as a dad. Oh, love from Shelley. That's so nice, isn't it?
I might put the lights from that one in there because that's a litre.
Yeah.
So now you can't moan that you never have any Disaronno because that will last you hopefully a while. I hope the alcohol. Right, this one does have 2 parts. Oh.
I know Fez ain't watching this, but what's your favourite Pokemon, everyone?
Wow.
I hate when you're fucking kidding, aren't you?
What? I know, that's what I mean. How are you going to open that?
You're actually kidding.
You might need to get like a bin bag to open it.
Oh my god, give me a minute. I'm going to get a plastic bag.
It's part of it. I was like, wait a minute. Okay, that is a clue right in a way. The other thing's bigger.
So that's a glass.
No, this isn't. This is very suspenseful. Here we go.
Uh-oh, I'll drop some.
Don't worry, we'll hoover up, even though I already hoovered today. Watch out, someday. So this is to put your Disaronno in.
Oh yeah, that's
sick, isn't it?
I like that.
Oh, turn it around. There's a little message on the back. I told you I went crazy with the personalisation.
Happy birthday, #1 daddy. Hope you have an amazing birthday. Lots of love. Mummy, Theo, Harvey and Roger. I just didn't put it out. It was probably as good.
Yeah, I feel like you got 50 million glasses, but that was an accident. Ooh, what's the next present?
I'll go for this one.
Can't remember what that is. Ooh. No, it's not a ring, by the way.
Handcrafted just for you. Jeweler.
Ooh.
Oh, God, she's got us. Lads, I'm not saying yes.
Wow. By the way, I have another part for that.
Yeah.
It's a little dog tag. Yay, cute. So it has his name and when he was born.
I like that.
It's very
Leave
cute.
that there.
You won't be able to guess what that is.
No, I won't. It's too thick to be a Switch game.
Yeah.
And it's sweets.
No, but they gave you sweets.
Oh, wow.
Oh, is it because it's a bag?
Yeah, I thought...
Oh, and there was a sweet. It's because I brought it from that's what a lot of people do when they have their own business.
Oh, I like that little
That's so
keyring.
cute. Let me see. Yeah, it's got the exact time when Theo was born. The moment I become a daddy, and it's the day of his birthday. That's so cute.
Oh, that, my keys right there, aren't they?
Yeah, I noticed you found because I can't really remember what it's in it. What the hell is that?
It's a tin.
Oh yeah, I remember what it is now.
Beard care.
Yeah, and it's got a new comb because yours is manky and a little pair of scissors.
It's a good thing I had a shaved it.
Yeah, I know. He bloody cut it as a moustache the other day. But when it grows back, that's handy.
Yeah, it would be handy. Thank you.
Because your little comb is so rank right now, and you don't have little scissors to trim it.
No.
So that'll be easy.
Right. Onto a photo frame. I know it's a photo frame. I'm just wondering what the photo is. Did you frame them?
Yeah. Because I know your other one got destroyed, so...
Oh yeah, thank you. I like that.
Yeah, they're cool. They're like canvassy, but I put them in a frame.
Did you know in Back to the Future 2, when they go forward in time, that's my birthday?
Yes, I do know that. Are you telling that to the viewers?
21st of October 2015, if I remember right.
Oh, wow. So you know that film is old, that the future was ages ago.
No, no, it come out in the 80s.
And you have to read out loud what it says inside.
Read out, okay. So it's ripping the shit out of me, is it?
No.
I bet it rips the shit out of me. Get rid of the reveal. Toss a piece of birthday cake to your witch.
Let me see. It's not that funny, but it is also funny.
I like that. I'm going to send that to Fez. Fez will like that. Oh my god. To Alexander. Happy 28th birthday, old man. So happy to be spending a 3rd birthday with you. Who would have known you'd be spending it as a dad? Hope you have a great day and love your presents. Lots of love. Shelley, Theo, Harvey, Roger and Leo. Hi, Leo.
Just wanted to show you this birthday present I got Alex. It's like so cool. So you personalise like the football shirt, the number, the name, like what the baby looks like, even and the skin tone of the dad. And then you can put whatever writing you want here. I feel like this is literally such a cute present. I'll link all of the links down below where I got his Etsy present so you can see. Because they're literally so adorable. Alex unfortunately had to cook his own dinner because I'm on boob duty right here. And he just likes me to cook his steak. Look at this little cheeky dog. And we're also watching Game of Thrones. Boobity boo boo boo. This baby's having like a nap. Kind of sleeping. But if I put him down, he'll wake up. Choice. Well, my camera is strolling.
What did you say?
So guys, it is Saturday morning, the 22nd, and I'm absolutely buzzing because I've received this package from Charlotte Tilbury, but I actually got it sent from a company called Scene Group, which is a PR company. So we have a little look in here. It was for Halloween, so Roger loves it. Happy Halloween. Whoa, Roger doesn't want me to read it apparently. Excuse me, sir. This is not about you. This is about makeup, okay? Let's try. So again. It says, darlings, wishing you a happy Halloween with any makeup magic for you to be witching Halloween beauty look. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm literally fighting with Roger right now. Lots of love, Team Tilbury. So I'll go through what is in there, but definitely look out for a little makeup look with this. There's actually like 2 palettes in there. What the hell? Buzzing. What is going on over here?
Sterilising the stuff to breastfeed.
Oh, you're gonna breastfeed, are you?
Yeah.
But you ain't got no tits. So, I've escaped my dog to do a little unboxing. Whoopity whoop whoop. So hopefully you read that. So in here we have a take it all off makeup remover, which is actually really good because, well, to be fair, my cleanser just died on me, but I can use this to take off my makeup and then use my cleansing bar. Then we have a Sleep Cheat Line Duo for eyes that look wide awake. I don't know what colour. I don't know how to see the colours on these things. You can tell I'm not a Charlotte Tilbury person. And then we have a Pillow Talk mascara, which apparently is supposed to be really, really good. So we'll see about that. And then we have a lipstick, which is in Scarlet Spell, which I think sounds like a red, right? Then I have one of these already, but I'm not sure what colour, so I'll have to have a look. But these are really beautiful. They're like a gel eyeshadow, but like really beautiful. So we've got Zadja Eyes, Sunlit Glow, and Golden Eclipse. Very beautiful. And I'm really excited about these. So we have 2 of the Colour Chameleon eyeshadow pencils, which I really think are really beautiful when I've had a look. One is in Smoky Emerald and one is in Black Diamonds. And then we have 2 palettes, the Rock Chick and the Rebel. So I feel like they've gone for quite glam stuff because it's for Halloween. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. Absolutely buzzing. Thank you, The Scene Group. Hello, I look somewhat presentable, kind of. We have just left Alex's parents' house. Yeah. We didn't vlog because that's really awkward with old people. No, they're not old, but they're kind of old, but they're kind of not. And now we have to go to Sainsbury's to collect Alex's pizza because he loves Sainsbury's pizza. Yeah, fun times. Oh my god, I didn't even film the steak last night. We had a steak. Oh wait, did I? I don't remember. This vlog is not very vloggy, but tomorrow we are going somewhere, so there will be non-face content.
Oh,
whoa, Alex can't drive.
No, I can't drive. That van's turning right when I didn't know.
Also, unpopular opinion, but this is better than Nutella. Comment in the comment area if you agree or disagree. Guess who decided to projectile poop on his mom today? Me. You can actually see I still have poop on my foot. Wow, how lovely. Oh no, we're not happy. We was happy. We was happy. Well, an outing that we're running very late for because typical Shelley and Alex. We need to go down.
This is down. This is the first floor. We need to walk.
I told you it's only going up. Oh my goodness. This man never listens to me. Little St Albans vibe. That's so cool. Dad vibes over here. So we just went to a little birthday party, but we didn't film anything, did we?
No.
But it's fine. I had some good mac and cheese, and it was a cute time. And Theo was very good, and he met his little friend Logan.
Oh, someone's managed to sneak a beer in.
It is absolutely chucking it down. Not that you can see because my camera. Oh my god. Whoa, thunder and lightning. Harvey's gonna bark, he doesn't like it. Just watching Newcastle with this little baby is asleep on me. Then we're gonna get McDonald's. McDonald's. Not for doggies. Not for doggies.
It's nothing compared to the trees.
Hello, little booby. He's waking up. Waking up. Hello, little booby. Hello. Hello. We're feeding him a bottle of milk. Oh, this is breast milk for the first time. It was very stressful for that for a second. So I'm just signing out the end of this video. So is Theo. He's doing his own thing down here. Say hey. That's a baby. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this little weekend vlog. I'll probably be vlogging this Halloween weekend because we're going to a little party and we're going to do some festivities of Halloween, hopefully. What is going on down here? We got hiccups. But yeah, do you want to say goodbye, Theo? Do you want to say goodbye? Oh, we're saying goodbye. Bye.